We get rest when we sleep, right? But that sleep is a temporary one. It just runs away when you wake up. People finding restfulness in intoxication, but it remains there as long as the effect of the liquor is there. And a meditator says, I'll have a restful mind, but without sleeping and without whiskey. So you really save a lot of money. When you sleep, sleep is the most non-productive, non-creative time. You don't become an Einstein by sleeping. You don't become a businessman by sleeping. You don't get your education while sleeping. You don't achieve any medals just for sleeping. Sleeping is the most non-productive time, but it gives you rest. But if you are not sleeping and if you are not using any intoxicant and yet you can quieten your mind, it is a big achievement. And in this quietude, one thing comes out, and that is true love. And this true love makes you as rich as it is possible to be rich. It really fills you up. किया तो हमने मन शांत है, लेकिन मन शांत करते ही अंदर एक खजाना मिल जाता है, जिस खजाने को हम कहते प्रेम. और प्रेम हमें रजा देता है. हम भर जाते, हम पूर्ण हो जाते. This is what really liberates us. We don't fear of sufferings. We don't fear of miseries. Bring it on. Let's see. That is a check on how deep my tolerance and perseverance is. That's it. Why be scared of that? The unshakable faith that my Lord is with me, and whenever I make my mind prayerful, I'll be fine. See, the situations might not be fine, but the question is this: is your mind fine? Situations can't be all the times favorable to us. It will change. But if I learn this art of not being dependent on the situations, then we deal with the situations, but we don't get boggled down with the situations. कुछ ना कुछ खराब तो होना ही है, कुछ ना कुछ बिगड़ा तो होना ही है, किसी न किसी ने तो मरना ही है, किसी न किसी ने तो बीमार होना ही है, कुछ ना कुछ तो होना ही है. तो जो होना है उसे हो लेने दो ना, लड़ो क्यों उसके साथ? मत लड़ो उससे. जो है, हाँ, बस उसको देखो. कौन है अंदर? जो तुम्हारे साहिब है, वो हमेशा साथ है, वो नहीं बदलता. ये सिचुएशन कभी नहीं बदलने वाली. Ever. This won't change ever. That one day you look within and God is missing. No way. Everything else can go missing. But this isn't going to ever happen. Now the issue is, have you made a real friendship with the Lord, or is it just a casual relationship and not a deep one? And to create a deep relationship, the only one thing which is required is the quietude of your mind. There are hundreds of ways to do that, and in these sessions, that is what I am going to make you explore. How many ways are there to quieten your mind? How many ways to go within? How many ways to make your mind silent, and the joy would be beaming in your being, and you would be wondering from where is this joy coming, because you have that whole ocean of joy within you. Actually, I am not giving anything, just I am making you aware of what your treasures are. So I am like a navigator. GPS? So I just let you know. See, your navigator doesn't say this. Like if you navigator said, turn left, and you did not do that. It doesn't say, you stupid fellow, why aren't you listening? Navigator reworks and then gives you another option. Right? So one lady in Washington asked me that I have been coming to you and listening to you since last 5-6 years, and I really wonder what must you be feeling when you see that we don't change. I said nothing, I am just a navigation system. I give other option. I say route is being recalculated. Now you go 200 feet and then you make a U-turn, But if you still don't do, what will navigator say? I am recalculating. I really want some Punjabi person to do the voiceover. With this point, that if the person doesn't follow, so damag kharab ho gaya hai, mud bhi ja.